Cooked garlic chop steak meal kit. Cook, you seem to be obsessed with milk kit products. It's discounted like this and has beer on it, but I thought it would be perfect as a side dish with soju, so I brought it. I bought this garlic chop steak for my kids. If you don't eat it, it's our side dish. Garlic chop steak. Where to buy? Lodmart price. Regular price 19,901, member price 13,931, 50% off 9,951, 2 servings. Beef is American. Other than that, domestic fried garlic from China. Content component: cooking oil, beef, fan meat, cherry tomato, onion, sauce, king oyster mushroom, green bell pepper, sliced garlic, Italian herb seasoning, fried garlic slice. The meat should be drained of blood, then seasoned and aged for 10 minutes with mixed cooking oil. After draining the meat with a kitchen towel, add 1/2 seasoning and cooking oil and let it mature for 10 minutes. If you are in a hurry, you can do it right away, but my wife's personality is, I'm in a hurry, but I was also doing other cooking that day, so the meat was able to rest for 10 minutes. It is a dish that is completed in no time if the meat is aged and the following dishes are fried in order. Put the mixed cooking oil in a preheated pan, put the meat on high heat and fry for 1 minute. I said it is okay to eat even if the beef is undercooked. Her wife said that her meat should not have any blood, so she cooked the meat as she wanted. I added the remaining vegetables except for the fried garlic and sautéed the meat a little more. Add the remaining seasoning and sauce, fry it for 3 more minutes and it's done. Both the vegetables and the meat were cut in all the same size, so it looked better. The color is really pretty. The green bell pepper and red tomato are in it, so the color is still alive. Garlic chop steak is completed by pouring fried garlic on the finished chop steak. The two of us also ate some of the meat left by the children. I still like the garlic chop steak the best among the meal kits I've been cooking. On this day, I ate all the leftover vegetables. It is good as a side dish with beer, but it is also delicious to eat with soju. It was a menu that would be good as a party food or a good food to make the weekend feel good. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like.